United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 123. Cooperation of states bordering enclosed or semi-enclosed seas. States bordering an enclosed or semi-enclosed sea should cooperate with each other in the exercise of their rights and in the performance of their duties under this convention. To this end they shall endeavour, directly or through an appropriate regional organization, a. to coordinate the management, conservation, exploration and exploitation of the living resources of the sea. b. to coordinate the implementation of their rights and duties with respect to the protection and preservation of the marine environment. c. to coordinate their scientific research policies and undertake where appropriate joint programs of scientific research in the area. d. to invite, as appropriate, other interested states or international organizations to cooperate with them in furtherance of the provisions of this article.